Revenued Business Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if your business spending could help build your company's credit profile while offering solid rewards? Most people misunderstand the Revenued Business Credit Card because they think it's just a corporate spending tool. The surprising truth is that it combines expense tracking, credit building, and rewards in one card. This card reports to business credit bureaus, helping your company establish a strong financial footprint. You can also set employee cards with limits, track purchases, and categorize expenses for counting purposes. Rewards are earned on everyday business purchases, including office supplies, travel, and software subscriptions. Points can be redeemed for statement credits or travel. The card is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses looking to streamline expenses and build business credit. The downside is the annual fee, which is offset by responsible use and rewards. Verdict: worth it for businesses that want credit building and rewards combined. Leave it if you do not operate a business or rarely spend.